Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm filming from Sheikh Sahil, Somaliland, and I'm on the main road. And you must be wondering why it's so quiet. You could only hear the sound of a crow. It's because today is election day. A lot of people have been waiting for this day for a long time, as everyone is standing up in a line right now, waiting to vote for their leader. And unfortunately, I was unable to get the voting card in time, but nevertheless, I'm just happy to be part of the process. Alhamdulillah, may Allah make today a great day and bring the people back together. So, signing off, this is your boy Roble, my first election in Somaliland, and just to be a happy part of it.